Good morning students. Today I will show you how can we use screw gauge, okay, to find diameter of given wire and to find its volume. Okay. So first of all we try to understand why we are using screw gauge. All of you know when we want to find length of a given line, given scale, okay. Suppose I want to find the length of this pen, okay, I put here and suppose it is near about, it is 12.5 centimeter. Suppose I write length of this pen is 12.5 centimeter. So now you try to think about the what is the least count of this scale. Okay, so first of all you try to understand the meaning of least count. So basically least count is the minimum reading taken by an instrument. Okay, for example, if we think about the least count of this scale, it is 0.1 centimeter. Okay, the least count of this scale is 0.1 centimeter. That is the least count of this scale. Now suppose if I want to measure any diameter of the given wire like that, suppose this is the wire in my hand, okay, and this is the pen in my hand, okay. Now suppose if I want to find its diameter with greater accuracy, okay, and suppose I use the instrument which have the least count, suppose 0.001 centimeter. It means if we measure the diameter of this pen with least count of an instrument having the least count 0.001 centimeter, I think its accuracy is much more greater. Okay, that's why screw gauge have the least count 0.001 centimeter. What is the least count of screw gauge? I will tell you later. Don't worry. Okay. So first of all, try to understand. We using this screw gauge, this instrument, we can measure 1/100 of a given millimeter. Okay. अपन 1/100 तक उसका measure कर सकते हैं. It means I can measure up to the 3 decimal point 0.001. So that's why we are using this instrument screw gauge. I think clear to everybody. Okay. Now come to the point. What do we mean by screw gauge? Actually, when we measure the thickness of any sheet, any given sheet, suppose when we buy any cooler, okay, you know what is the thickness of the sheet of the cooler, okay, जो कूलर का जो शीट होता है उसका थिकनेस कैसे मेजर करते हैं, वो थिकनेस किसमें होगा, आपने कभी अगर मार्केट में आप जाएँ तो पूछे तो आप पूछोगे सर उसकी थिकनेस कितनी है, वो कहेगा सर 20 गेज का है, 22 गेज का है. ओके, इट मीन्स थिकनेस जो मेजर करें वहाँ पे गेज बढ़ रहा है. दैट्स वाई वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग दिस स्क्रू गॉज टू फाइंड द थिकनेस ऑफ गिवन iron sheet, given aluminum sheet, given glass sheet. That's why the word goes come here. And what is the meaning of screw? When I rotate this circular scale, okay, on the main scale, you know this circular scale is rotating on the main scale. It means screw rotate kar raha hai, like that. So that's why its name is screw gauge. I think clear to everybody. What is the meaning of gauge? What is the meaning of screw? You clearly see. Okay, when I rotate it, okay. तो आप देखो सी साथ लगातार क्या कर रहा है, रोटेट कर रहा है. ओके, इसमें स्क्रू आगे मूव कर रहा है. देखो आप ध्यान से देखिए, यू कैन सी क्लियरली दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्रू गॉज. ओके, नाउ द पॉइंट कम्स इन स्क्रू गॉज. वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस स्क्रू गॉज. ओके, नाउ द पॉइंट कम्स हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ द स्क्रू गॉज. ओके, okay, my dear students, all of you know in screw gauge there is two scales. Okay, one is your main scale. Okay, if you see on the screw gauge, this is the main scale. Okay, if you see on the screw gauge, this is the main scale. देखिए जहाँ पे मेरा फिंगर है, दिस इज द मेन स्केल. ओके, एंड दिस इज द जो देखो रोटेट कर रहा है बच्चों, दिस इज द सर्कुलर स्केल. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी. देखिए ध्यान से देखो दोबारा से, दिस इज द मेन स्केल एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रेफरेंस लाइन. जहाँ पे मेरा फिंगर है दैट इज द रेफरेंस लाइन. ओके, एंड इट इज रोटेटिंग, इट इज द सर्कुलर स्केल. I think clear to everybody. This is the main scale and this is the circular scale. Okay. Now we want to find its least count. If you see it clearly, okay, when I give one complete rotation to the circular scale, again I am repeating, when I give one complete rotation to the circular scale, it travel the thickness, it travel 1 mm distance on the mean scale. Again I am repeating, when I give one complete rotation to the circular scale, it covers 1 mm distance on the main scale and it is called pitch. Okay, if you see this circular scale clearly, there are 100 divisions on the scale. Okay, there are 100 divisions on the scale. If you see it clearly, there are 100 divisions. Okay, total. Okay, now come to the point. If I am talking about the pitch, the word pitch means the distance when we give complete rotation, one complete rotation to the circular scale, the distance covered by it on main scale is 1 mm and it is called pitch. Okay. Now how we find least count? So we can write pitch equals to 1 mm or we can write it is 0.1 centimeter. And what is the least count of the screw holes? Least count equals to pitch upon number of divisions on the circular scale. What is the least count of screw holes? Pitch upon number of divisions on the circular scale, CS. Okay, on the circular scale. All of you know I write the pitch 0.1 centimeter upon 100. What is the least count of screw holes, bachcho? It becomes 0.001 centimeter. This is the least count of screw holes. Okay. Now come to the point. Okay. Now to find the diameter of the given wire, yeah, given pen, okay, we can use, what are the materials we require? We require a wire, okay, meter scale to find its length, okay, and screw holes to find its diameter. Okay. Now there is an important thing in screw gauge also, that is about error, zero error. Okay, zero error. What do you mean by zero error? What I am saying, when zero of the circular scale exactly coinciding with the main reference line, and zero of the circular scale is exactly coinciding with the reference line, it means these screw holes have no error and that is called zero error. It means वहाँ पे कोई भी error नहीं है. For example, if I am using the screw holes, okay, now I am talking about the zero error when we close both the studs, okay, very close to each other as I am showing you. Okay. Now if you see clearly that zero of the circular scale, if you see on the circular scale, zero of the circular scale is exactly coinciding with the reference line. If you see, okay, that is called zero error. It means this instrument is ideal, there is no error. I think it's clear to everybody. Okay. Now I am coming to the point. What do you mean by positive zero error? I am talking about positive zero error. What is the meaning of positive zero? Zero error when zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line. What I am saying, when zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line, then it is called positive zero error. Okay, I am showing you Okay, here you can look in this screw gauge. You see 0 lies below the reference line. 0 lie below the reference line, and it is called positive zero error. Okay, is it clear to everybody? Again I am repeating, when 0 of the circular scale, you see here 0 of the circular scale lies below the reference line, and that is called positive zero error. Now I am talking about the negative zero error. Okay, third one is our negative zero error. Negative zero error. What is the meaning of negative zero error? When 0 of the circular scale, when 0 of the circular scale lies above the reference line, you see here 0 of the circular scale lies above the reference line, then it is called negative zero error. In this way we can find the error in the screw gauge. Okay, now to find the diameter, we can use the screw gauge, and to find the volume we have to use the formula. The volume of given wire equals to pi r square L, and all of you know that radius equals to diameter upon 2, r equals to divided. If I put the value here, it becomes pi divided to whole square into L. So by using this formula we can find the volume of the given wire. Suppose I am using this wire. Okay, I can measure the length using this scale. Again I am repeating, and to find its diameter I use screw gauge. Both the data we have diameter and we have length, and when we put these values in this formula we can easily calculate its volume. Okay, now how we make the observation table. Okay, so for observation table we use serial number. We have to take 3 readings. One is your MSR. MSR means mean scale reading. Okay, that is in centimeter. I represent it by X. Now again I am using CSR, means circular scale reading. It is Y. Okay, and it is equals to N into least count. Okay, all of you know the main scale least count is 0.1 centimeter. It is understood. उसको अपन दिखाते नहीं है. But you know for screw gauge we are using the least count 0.001 centimeter. I write CSR equals to Y equals to N into least count. And what is the N here? I will tell you. Okay, N is the number which coincides with the reference line on the circular scale. Suppose it will be 25th. What is the value of N? 25 into 0.001 centimeter. I will tell you when we take reading. Don't worry. Okay. Now you know diameter equals to H plus Y. If we add both the readings, mean scale reading and circular scale reading, we got diameter. Okay, and we take 3 readings. So now I am showing you how we take the reading for its diameter. For actual representation I am using this pen actually. Okay, because this wire is very small, इसका diameter बहुत ही small है. I think इसमें reading लेना इतना दिखा नहीं पाएंगे. That's why I am using this. Okay, so same process you can apply on the wire when you come to the lab. Okay, now come to the point. Okay, so I am using screw gauge with zero error. Okay, now first of all I open both the studs. Okay, you see I open both the studs. Now I put this pen in between the studs and tight it. In this way I hold this pen between two studs. Now I have to find the reading of main scale and circular scale. My dear students, if you see clearly, okay, then what is the main scale reading, बच्चों? If you see clearly, what is the main scale reading? It is it is 0.8 centimeter. If you see here, what is the, देखो 5, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is the 0.8 centimeter. That is the main scale reading. Okay, so I record here. What is the main scale reading? 0.8 centimeter. Now again you see at the circular scale reading. Okay, and see which number of the circular scale is exactly coinciding with the reference line. If I see, it is 45. Okay, if you see clearly, it is 45. Okay, so what is the value of n? It is 45. If you see clearly, okay, 45, okay, is exactly coinciding with the reference line of main scale. So what is the value of n? 45. I can write this reading is 45 into 0.001. It becomes 0.045. Now it becomes 0.045. Okay. Now to find diameter we add both. It becomes D1. D1 equals to, when we add both, it becomes 0.845 centimeter. In this way we can find the diameter of given pen, yeah, given wire. Now we can hold this pen from here. We have to take 3 readings, and again I tight this pen in between the studs, and again I find the reading. Okay, so again it is main scale is, you can see main scale is 0.8. Again you can see main scale is again, देखो 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 0.8. I can write main scale again 0.8. And now what is the CSR बच्चों? It is now 40, 30, 31. It is near about, I think, 38 or 39. Now it is 41. If you see clearly, okay, it is the 42 or 41. I can choose, it is. Now my dear students, again look at the readings. So I find the main scale reading is 0.8. Okay, and the circular scale reading is 42. Okay, if I see from this, okay, so it is 42. CSR, n becomes 42. So I can write 42 into 0.001. It becomes 0.042. Then we add both. What is the D2 also? D2 becomes 842 centimeter. In the same, we can find the third reading also. Okay, suppose now I am taking from here, because we have to take 3 readings. Again I tied the pen in between the studs, okay, like that. Again it is, the main scale reading is 0.8. Again bachcho, main scale reading is 0.8 centimeter. Okay, and what is the CSR? It is 43. Okay, I can write 43 into 0.001. 0.001, it becomes 0.4043. Okay, that is the 0.001. Okay, if what is the D3 also? D3 becomes 0.843 centimeter. Okay, we can find D1, D2 and D3, and then we have to find the mean reading. I can write D equals to D mean equals to D1 plus D2 plus D3 upon 3. Okay, and we put this value, mean value here, and we can find the volume of the given y. Okay, I think clear to everybody how we can find the value of diameter using screw gauge. Okay, and put this value to find volume of the given wire. Okay, again I am repeating, when we want to take, suppose now I want to find thickness of this glass sheet. Suppose again I am giving one example. Suppose I want to find thickness of this given glass sheet. I put here in between the studs of the screw gauge and tight it जब तक ये दोनों क्लोजली टच नहीं हो जाए, बिल्कुल बाय सॉफ्ट हैंड. ओके, ज़्यादा टाइट नहीं करना, बस इट्स ओके. नाउ इफ यू सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन with this screw gauge you see the main scale and you see the circular scale. Okay, clearly. Now if I check the readings here, CSR becomes 0.1 centimeter only. Okay, मेन स्केल जो रीडिंग है दैट इज 0.1. इफ यू सी देयर इज ओनली वन लाइन आई एम सीइंग हियर. देखो मेन स्केल पे, दोबारा देखो मेन स्केल पे खाली मुझे एक लाइन दिखाई दे रहा है. इट मीन्स मेन स्केल रीडिंग इज 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ लुक एट द CSR. तो CSR का कौन सा नंबर एग्जैक्टली कोइंसाइड कर रहा है रेफरेंस लाइन से? आई थिंक इट्स 30. ओके, तो व्हाट इज द सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग? 30 इंटू 0.001. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, MSR प्लस CSR, वी कैन फाइंड द थिकनेस ऑफ द गिवन ग्लास शीट. आई थिंक क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी. वी ऐड मेन स्केल रीडिंग प्लस सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग. मेन स्केल रीडिंग इज 0.1 सेंटीमीटर एंड सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग इज 30 इंटू 0.001. लिस्ट काउंट इज दैट. दोनों को ऐड किया एंड वी कैन फाइंड इजीली थिकनेस ऑफ द गिवन ग्लास शीट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. इफ यू एनी कंफ्यूजन about this instrument screw gauge, you can ask me. Okay, I will give you the right answer. Thank you very much.